After President Trump's executive order to get rid of equity, diversity, and inclusion programs at the federal level, 18 News' Toby Moore shares what that means for the Eau Claire city government and diversity efforts going forward.
It's been 1 month now since President Trump signed an executive order to eliminate equity, diversity, and inclusion programs from the federal government. Here in Eau Claire, the city is still working to figure out what that means for local government. Eau Claire City Manager Stephanie Hirsch says they are still waiting on guidance from the federal government on changes that would need to be made to local EDI efforts, which have been a big focus of the city over the past few years. The city relies on the federal government for a significant amount of funding, especially for programs like transit, public housing, and public health. Hirsch says they want to keep complying with the federal government and make Eau Claire a welcoming community.
We have to work with our federal partners to deliver services, so we have to pay attention to what the executive orders are. And we will really be looking for the solutions that are universal, that they apply to everybody, and that they're about taking care of all of our residents, whatever their needs may be, whatever their background may be.
The city's EDI Commission met earlier this week with an item on the agenda to discuss the impacts of that executive order. That agenda item was postponed. In Eau Claire, I'm Toby Moore.
Thanks, Toby. Hirsch said they are asking for patience from city residents while they figure out how this and other executive orders at the federal level will affect the city going forward.